Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Word tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to redirect your autosave backup file into a specific folder for easy file recovery in your Microsoft Word without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and create a special folder for this. And for that, I want to make sure we right click on our window environment PC right here. Then we go ahead and click on new. That. So this particular folder right here, we can easily name it recovery file MS Word and hit enter. Just like so. Now, what this simply means is that whatever recovery file we have in our MS Word, the file is going to be redirected to this particular folder for easy file recovery without any stress. So for that, go ahead and bring out your MS Word. And the next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here, go ahead and click on file. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and come down below right here, click on more. And then you want to make sure you click on options. And this is going to pop up right here. Navigate to save right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to make sure save file in this format. Make sure you choose your MS Word as preferable right here. Then you can change the times of saving 5 minutes. Then auto recovery file location. Go ahead and click on browse right here. And the next thing you want to do is desktop right here, where you have the file in the desktop. So you want to make sure you locate the recovery for MS Word file right here. So select on that and hit on OK. Now we have it right here, which simply means that every auto recovery file is going to be redirected here. Next thing we want to do is to come down below right here. We click on OK right here, and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Microsoft Word, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you.